everyone, welcome to my channel English with Wills and welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about had to. But before we start our video, let me tell you today that I'm wearing Shine Welfare Trust t-shirt, and this t-shirt was gifted by Sheikh Kashif Amjad. And of course Shine Welfare Trust is doing an amazing work for people regardless of their caste, regardless of their nation, regardless of their religion. They are working for humanity basically. So yes, of course, Shine Welfare Trust, salute to you, and Sir Sheikh Kashif Amjad, salute to you. So yes, let's talk about had to. In my previous lecture, I talked about have to, has to, which I said that we use for some compulsory action, for some obligated action, for something which is required to be done, something which is very important to do. So today we are going to talk about had to. Had to is basically the past tense of have to, has to. When something was very important to do in the past, when something was required to be done in the past, when something was obligated to do in the past, we use had to. For example, my friend invited me at his birthday, but due to some reason I couldn't go, and the next day he asked me that why didn't you come, and if I reply him that I'm sorry I could not attend your birthday because I had to prepare for my exams. So it means preparing my exam was more important. That was obligated. There was something very important to do. So when something is very important to do in the past, we use had to. Let's talk about had to in the detail. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to talk about had to in detail. So let's get started. The structure of had to is we use had to when something was very important to do or compulsory to do in the past. जब कोई काम माजी में करना बहुत ज़रूरी था या हमारी मजबूरी था. The Urdu identification of had to are ना था, नी थी, ने थे, और इसकी उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशंस ना पढ़ता था, नी पढ़ती थी, ने पढ़ते थे भी होती हैं. When we talk about something was very important to do, then ना था, नी थी, ने थे, and if we talk about something was compulsory to do in the past, then ना पढ़ता था, नी पढ़ती थी, ने पढ़ते थे. Let's talk about the affirmative structure. The affirmative structure is subject, had to, first form of the verb and object. अच्छा, ये had to सिर्फ और सिर्फ affirmative में आएगा, negative के अंदर have to, interrogative के अंदर have to. Had to सिर्फ और सिर्फ affirmative में आएगा. Let's talk about the examples. The first example is I had to prepare for my exams. मुझे अपने इम्तिहान की तैयारी करनी थी. She had to receive some guests. उसे कुछ मेहमानों को receive करना था. He had to install Windows 10 in his laptop. उसे अपने लैपटॉप में Windows 10 install करनी थी. Now let's talk about the negative structure. In the negative structure, we can see subject, didn't or did not, have to, first form of the verb and object. जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा कि had to सिर्फ और सिर्फ affirmative में आएगा, negative में और interrogative में have to आएगा, had to नहीं आएगा. उसकी वजह यह है कि did not पहले से ही second form है और past में हम did not के बाद दोबारा second form use नहीं करते और had to basically second form है have to, has to की. इसीलिए did not के बाद first form have to आएगा. So now let's talk about the examples. Example number 1 is I didn't have to prepare for my exam. मुझे अपने इम्तिहानात की तैयारी नहीं करनी थी. She didn't have to receive any guest. उसे मेहमानों को receive नहीं करना था. He didn't have to install Windows 10 in his laptop. उसे अपने लैपटॉप में Windows 10 install नहीं करनी थी. Now let's talk about the interrogative structure. In the interrogative structure, we use did in the beginning, subject, have to, first form of the verb and object. Let's talk about the example. Did I have to prepare for my exam? क्या मुझे अपने इम्तिहान की तैयारी करनी थी और question mark. Did she have to receive any guest? क्या उसे कोई guest या मेहमानों को receive करना था? Question mark. Did he have to install Windows 10 in his laptop? क्या उसे अपने लैपटॉप में Windows 10 install करनी थी? So this is very easy to understand. So I hope everybody understood. So bye bye. Thank you. So yes, I hope it was very easy for everyone. But still, if there is any questions, you can just drop your comments in the comment section. I'll get back to you and answer your question. Thank you.